And it's crazy. All right, this is about 17 feet up in the air, and I'm 6 feet. How high am I?
I ain't good at math.
Okay, all right, all right.
Right in.
Okay, good. So how tall are you?
6 foot.
Yeah.
6 foot. So if this rock's 25 foot high and you're 6 foot
About
high,
19 feet.
how high are you now?
19.
No, that would be 25. It's an easy question.
6 foot.
And this is 25 foot rock. How high are you?
26? 25?
Yeah, 25. That's okay. Right, yeah, I am ready. And how tall are you?
5'11".
5'11". So if this rock is 25 foot high and you're 5'11 foot high, how high are you?
4 and some odd knee.
Yeah. So what's that?
31 feet.
No, you're still 25 foot. Don't worry about it. You didn't come on vacation to do a mathematical problem.
Oh, how high am I from here?
Don't worry about it.
Got it. I didn't understand.
Let's get off the rock. Okay, so before you go, what is 2,300 divided by 5?
I don't know.
Okay, get off the rock. Okay, how tall are you?
5'10".
5'10". So if this rock is 25 foot high and you're 5'10" foot high, how high are you now?
25 feet.
Good answer! Good answer! All right, let's go.
Yes, sir.
Yeah!